How to fix your Instagram ads are not delivering or not working. So if you're getting 0 impressions or your ads are not showing up, first you want to open up Instagram and then click on your profile logo at the bottom. Then you want to click on the 3 vertical lines right here to open up the settings and activity. And then you want to make sure that you have a business Instagram account or professional Instagram account. You want to click on Creator Tools and Controls right here, and then scroll down and click on Switch Account Type, and then click on Switch to Business Account, and then click on Switch. Now once your account is switched to a business account, you want to scroll all the way down and then click on the Help button under More Info and Support, or you can click on the account status directly to check your account status basically. And then make sure all of these are green right here and you don't have any restrictions on your account. So for example, right here, the monetization. And as you can see right here, this is currently makes me unable to monetize due to these monetization policies. And you can basically sort it out on your account if you have something like this. You can also appeal this by basically sending them a request to the support by going back to this menu, clicking on Help, and then click on Support Requests, and then click on Violations to see here if you have any violations that might prevent you from basically using ads. And sometimes they might apply restrictions to your account due to these violations. Now, if you have tried all the steps and didn't work for you, you can come back and submit a support request. So you want to go back and click on Report a Problem, and then click on Report Without Shaking or Report Problem Without Shaking at the bottom. And then click on Don't Include and Continue at the bottom again. And then you'll need to simply briefly describe or explain the problem or what happened. So you would write something like this. I noticed that my ads are not being delivered on Instagram and I'm not sure what's going on. I need help. And then you can simply click on Send on the top right here. And this should send the request to the support. And then you should simply wait for the support team to reach back to you, which usually takes between 1 to 2 business days. And then they should be able to provide you with further instructions and potential solutions to the problem. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.